How's it going, guys? How is it going? I just wanted to kind of chill and have a little bit of a conversation with you guys about you're running out of time as a retail investor, right? And I wanted to kind of discuss that a little bit with you guys. We're going to get into this really quick article and then we're going to talk about it a little bit, okay? By the numbers, how much Bitcoin supply do ETFs hold? A few weeks have passed since the Bitcoin ETFs have gone live on trading. Here's how much assets circulating supply these funds now hold. On January 10th, the much anticipated ETF gained approval for Bitcoin from the SEC. The next day, January 11th, these ETFs went live on trading, marking a historic day for cryptocurrency. ETFs refer to the technical instruments that allow investors to gain exposure to a commodity without actually owning said asset. In the case of BTC ETFs, can be a more appealing way to invest in a coin for traders who aren't well diverse in cryptocurrency and how cryptocurrency works. Spot ETFs trade on traditional exchanges, so such investors who may already be familiar with the traditional mode of trading won't have to learn how to navigate digital assets, exchanges, and wallets in order to provide this indirect exposure to the investor. The funds themselves buy and hold Bitcoin. CryptoQuant Netherlands community manager Martin has shared some quick numbers related to the current holdings of the spot ETFs in the new post on X. First, here's a chart that shows the holdings of the older BTC funds, including Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust, right here. You can pause it if you want to look at it. From the graph, it is visible that the holdings these funds have plunged recently. This is due to the massive outflow of GBTC has observed, which is Grayscale essentially selling off a lot because their rates are high too, right? Don't forget that. In total, these funds now carry 564,402 Bitcoin, guys. That's insane. Now below is a chart that displays the cumulative flows that new spot ETFs as the whole have witnessed since they've gone live. Look at this. As is apparent from the graph, the new spot ETFs have seen net inflows of 27,336 BTC. Adding this amount to the other metrics, these funds hold a total of 591,738 BTC. In terms of the US dollar, this is the equivalent of a whopping $25.5 billion at the current exchange rate of the asset. The current total circulating supply of cryptocurrency is equal to 19,615,950, which means that the total amount held by these funds corresponds to about 3% of this figure. Something to note, though, is the cumulative flows would also indicate the GBTC outflows, so this percentage isn't perfectly correct when accounting for these corrections. The figure raises to about 3.3%. BTC's price, although the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF was something we looked forward to among the investors in cryptocurrency sector as a whole, the event turned out to be a sell the news in the end. This event started an extended downtrend for assets, for which the price has only begun to make some recoveries. The below chart shows how the cryptocurrency has performed over the past month. Bitcoin is now trading at 43,000 right now, meaning that the cryptocurrency is yet to make a recovery to the levels it was at during the days surrounding the spot ETF approval. Okay, so we're going to talk about it here, guys. So these institutions, these ETF holders now hold 3.3%, guys. of the available Bitcoin that's in 3 weeks. They've accumulated that much in 3 weeks. I did a short yesterday discussing the fact that BlackRock had purchased 3 times more Bitcoin than was produced in that day. Okay. So this leads us into the fact that you're running out of time, right? Um, give these institutions another, I mean, how much are they going to hold in a year, right? If 3 weeks they hold 3.3%, how much are they going to hold a year from now? How much are they going to hold 2 years from now? By the time the next bull run comes around in 2029, there might not be any Bitcoin left to buy, right? Because these institutions will be holding it all. You will have to buy it from them. And to be honest with you, if they hold the bulk of the supply by that time, right? Um, the price of Bitcoin and is going to go through the roof because we'll be depending on the miners to get out as much as possible, right? The price is going to be ridiculous, guys. Like this is something that people are not really kind of getting. Like you're seeing everywhere, all these ETFs underperform and stuff. In the first like day, they passed it. The spot Bitcoin ETF passed silver. Like, what do you mean underperformed? Um, these are technicals that some people, some analysts, some influencers are not paying attention to, right? These are very important narratives, guys. And you need to understand that you are running out of time. And if the price of Bitcoin skyrockets because of this, what do you think that's going to do to the altcoins, who generally tend to outperform Bitcoin? What do you think is going to happen? Exactly. To the moon is going to mean a whole different thing, right? So that's what I mean, guys. If you are sitting on the sidelines and you're saying, I'm going to wait for this, I'm going to wait for that, guys, it's not financial advice, but you are running out of time. And I say this, not to shill any specific crypto at you or anything like that. Whatever it is, project that you believe in, that you want to get in on, whether it's Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever it is, guys, any altcoin that you like. When Bitcoin goes parabolic, because this supply and demand shock, altcoins are going to run as well, right? They always follow Bitcoin, and then they outperform Bitcoin in terms of ROI. So you're running out of time, right? Get in where you fit in. Do not get left behind, because the last thing I want to see from my followers, from my subscribers, a couple of years from now is, Rob, I waited and I waited and I was waiting for a good point and I didn't get in, and now prices are insane, right? Don't do that to yourself. Don't play yourself. Um, that's the best tip that I could give you. You are running out of time. Um, if the fact that in 3 weeks these institutions own 3.3% of all the Bitcoin that's available, if that doesn't, scare you, I like, or not scare you, but like motivate you to understand that how fast this is happening. It's happening fast, you guys. They in a year, by that math, they could own 30%. 30, right? Imagine what it's going to do to the price. I'm just saying. I'm just saying, guys. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, guys. Help us grow. Be greatly appreciated. It doesn't cost you anything. Join the member side, guys. It's only $4. You get members only content. You get members only live streams on Sundays. You get one-on-ones with me where we can, you can send me your portfolio. We'll have a look at it, help you round it out. I can help you with exit strategies in the bull run. We have a very good like-minded community as members. We have a lot of fun. We get along. It's a fantastic time. Everyone helps everybody. So it's only $4 to be a part of that, guys. Don't go this crypto market alone. Join the community. Click the join button for that, and join the Discord as well, because that's free. And I'll see you guys in the next one.